What's up, guys? Will H back with another video, taking a look at the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Now, I picked this up. I pre-ordered this on Samsung's Unpack Day, and I now have it in the house. Also came with a free wireless charging duo pad here as well. And I picked up the black titanium, but it also comes in gray titanium as well. A few other features and details. This has a sapphire crystal 1.4 inch display, Super AMOLED, 450 by 450 on the resolution. This has a Exynos W920 processor, has 1.5 gigabytes of RAM, 16 gigabytes of storage. This is going to be running Wear OS 3.5 out of the box, plus One UI Watch 4.5. This has a 590 milliamp hour battery, 10 watts charging. This has Bluetooth 5.2, and this is IP68 dust and water resistant as well. And this will run with Android 8.0 and higher. So this also going to feature stuff like a heart rate monitor. You're going to have an ECG monitor, temperature monitor, and things like that. So those are a few of the features and details. I will drop the link in the description where you can go over and pick this up. This is going to run you about $450, I believe, out of the box. I will put the correct price, if I'm wrong, on the display right now. So here's the packaging that it comes in. You got this nice black box right here. So let's go ahead and look at this super fast wireless charging duo. Super fast 15 watts, includes a power adapter. Let's take a look at this first and see what we got here. So this was part of the, I don't know if I chose this or it was just something that was thrown in by them. I can't remember, but here it is. And nothing else in the box. So you get this charging pad here. Now you're going to be able to charge your phone and your watch at the same time, or your earbuds or whatever. This is what it is here. So this is going to be just a quick look at this. Here's the bottom, all plastic. You got your Type-C charging port there. Got some ventilated area there. All plastic. Very nice for them to include this. And then you're going to have your wall charger here. Surprised they put that in there. So you get this Type-C super fast charging. That's what it says. You get your quick start guide, and you get your Type-C to Type-C charging cable here, right there. Now I'll plug this in later on in the video and give it a try, but for right now, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the watch for now. So here's the watch box. You got Galaxy Watch 5 at the top. You got a picture of the watch there, and I've already read off some of the specs. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And that is it. So let's go and get into the box. And this has some features on it that I was really excited about. The bigger battery is definitely the most important thing for me. Coming from the Galaxy Watch 4, which had decent battery life, but not the best. So in the packaging, you get this packet here. I always do that. So on this end, all right. So you get your quick start guide in here. You're gonna get your charging cable right here. So you got your charging cable and Type-C. Put that over to the side. So here's the watch. Very, very nice looking watch here. Unique looking. You got your display is kind of inlaid in there. There's a big bezel sticking up here. So that is very different right there. Let's go around the watch. So you got your power button, your back button. Look like you got a mic right there. Nothing on this side. And it's kind of thick, as you guys see. Nice strap here. Feels very soft. This is a 20 millimeter band. And then here's the bottom of it where you got your sensors. and everything here. Now it is kind of thick here. This is a thick watch. You do have the quick release buttons there for your to get your band off there. And this is a magnetic clasp from what I've seen on the other videos on here. It stays together by magnet. That's going to be nice, but very thick looking and very nice looking watch. So let's go ahead and see if it's got some power and get this thing paired up. So there it is. You see the Samsung logo coming up here. Now I'm going to pair this to my new Galaxy Z Flip 4, and that's how I'm going to rock this out. But there's the boot up screen right there, and let's go ahead and get this thing paired up, see how long it takes. So the Z Flip 4 is a very nice device here. You guys see it's still powering up. Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox, and just waiting on it to get past this screen here. Here's the silicone case that I put on my device. And as you guys see, it comes up right away. As soon as the watch is all the way powered on, it's asking to connect. So we're going to go ahead and connect. It's got some information there. I'm going to allow this stuff. And here it is pairing up. So I got to confirm this number. Allow Galaxy Wearable to manage your Galaxy Watch Pro. I'm going to say yes. So now it's going through its pairing process here. Downloading software. All right, guys, so we're back in. There was a few things we had to do to get this paired up, but it finally got paired. You just follow the simple instructions that they give you. And this is the watch face right out of the box. We'll go over the watch in a minute. Let's take a look at the Galaxy Wear app. So you guys can see that is the current watch face. You're going to see your battery percentage. You can go in and you can add more watch faces if you want. Some of these are new watch faces. I'm not sure which ones are new. I know this one is new. Maybe some of these other ones are new as well. But there are tons of watch faces on here. Any watch face that you want, you can pretty much find. So you can also manage your watch faces. You also got your apps, so you can rearrange your apps according to how you want them. You can add, subtract, whatever you want to do with your apps. You're going to have your tiles. So these are different tiles that you can have. You want to monitor your blood pressure, quick way to get to that. Your buds controls, contacts, just all kinds of tiles here that you can add or subtract. And then you're going to have your quick panels and you can add and subtract from this as well. Whatever's more convenient for you to make your experience with your watch that much better. You got your watch settings, which is going to be stuff like your notifications. You can go in and toggle on what you want to get notifications from. You got your advanced notifications, where you can read notification out loud, notification indicator, different things like that you can go and play around with. You got your sounds, so you can sound, vibrate, or mute. Vibration strength. You got your different ringtones here. So you guys can hear that, or you can just have it silent. That's mostly how I run mine. You go back, so advanced, where will we sound? Display, so you can set this if you want to raise your wrists to wake it, or you can touch strain to wake. You can set how long it times out, different things like that. Your brightness, your health, Samsung Health. You can check your heart rate every 10 minutes or do it manually. This is all your things you can do. Just going through this real quick, guys. Advanced features. This is all you see in here. You can toggle on answer calls with gestures, different things. Apps. So these are some of the apps here. Manage content. So in this, you can add your music and things like that, photos and everything. General. So general is just showing you different things here. Touch bezel, swipe the edge of the watch screen to stroll. You can turn that on and off. We'll demonstrate that. Accessibility. So you got visual enhancements, hearing enhancements, different things like that. Safety and emergency, account backups, watch software update, and about watch. So that is pretty much everything on the as far as the app. So next, looking at the watch. So like I said, this is the watch face that came on it. If you wanted to change watch faces or customize this, you just hold down on it. As you guys see, I did add this panda one, just playing around with it. Thought that was pretty cool. And a lot of the watch faces you can customize. So you go to plus, you can cycle through and get whatever watch face you want and just add it to the watch. So if you swipe down from the top, this is going to be your quick toggles where you can get into stuff like your flashlights, Bluetooth settings, airplane mode, theater mode, just all of your settings like that. Swipe from the left over. This is going to be your notifications. Swipe from the bottom. This is how you get into all of your apps. And then if you swipe to the right, this is going to be all of your apps, your tiles here. So you see I got weather there, and I'm going to set all this up, and when I do my follow-up on the watch, I'll have it set up. You got your home button that always take you home, and then the bottom button, let's see what they have it set up to. Samsung Pay, but you can set that to whatever you want it to be set at. Go ahead and change this wallpaper back. So this is the rotating bezel around here. Now, this is much better than doing it with the Galaxy Watch 4. You got this raised bezel here, which helps you to grip that and actually use it. So I like that a whole lot better. So that's a good idea right there. And I think that's pretty much it. So as you guys see, I have already connected the band. But if you want to connect the band or size the band, there's a little clamp right there. You raise that up. The watch is going to come like this. You take this and slide it inside of there, just like that. And you're going to kind of judge how big you need the watch band to be so it'll fit your arm. So I set it there. And there it is. So that is the perfect size for me right there. The watch is going to set up pretty high on your arm. And as you guys see, works great. Touch sensitive is great on it. And to take it off, just easily raise that up and it's off. So let's do a little size comparison right quick. So this is the TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra, if I'm saying that right. You guys see, they're pretty much the same size. The TicWatch may be a little bit bigger display, but it's definitely not as thick as the Samsung. You guys see there. Here's the bands, and then here's the back of it with the sensors. Right there, the TicWatch is different. And then let's take a look at the Galaxy Watch 4. So here's the Galaxy Watch 4. This is 45, this is 44. So that's the differences you're gonna get right there. Now this is ultra thin in comparison to this. So there it is, right there. So that's just an idea of what you can get, what this is going to look like, guys. So I will follow up on this with this watch in a few weeks or a few days and let you guys know what I think about the battery life and things like that. Okay, guys, so this is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. I'm Will H. This is Will H Gadgets and More. I'm out.